Welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018, question number 26. Flute's basic lava flow is likely to give rise to a volcanic A. Cinder, B. Saddle Reef, C. Dome, D. Gap, E. Shield. So this is actually flow. Flute's basic lava flow is likely to give rise to a volcanic world. So what does fluid of basic lava flow give rise to? Is it cinder? Is it saddle reef? Is it dome? Is it gap? Is it shield? Now, the right answer for this is shield. So why is shield the answer? It is the answer because a shield volcano is a volcano usually composed almost entirely of fluid lava flows. So it is usually composed of fluid lava flows, and that is why I call like I said, this is F. This is fluid or basic lava flow. So this is flow. So that is what a shield volcano is. A shield volcano is a volcano usually composed almost entirely of fluid lava flow. Now, it is named for its low profile, resembling a warrior's shield. So, a shield volcano resembles a warrior shield. You know warriors. So, the shield they use when they go to war, this shield volcano resembles it. That's why it is called shield volcano. So it resembles a warrior shield lying on the ground. So, and that is why we call it shield volcano, because the volcano resembles a warrior shield lying on the ground. Now, this is caused by the fluid lava traveling down the volcano, resulting in a steady accumulation of its broad sheets of lava, building up a shield volcano. So that is what happens. So for this to be formed, you need to have the fluid lava traveling down the volcano. So when you have the fluid lava traveling down the volcano, resulting in steady accumulation, this results in steady accumulation. So when this is accumulated, it results in steady accumulation of broad sheets of lava. So when it builds up, it forms a shield that resembles the shield of warriors, and that is why we call it shield volcano, and that is why option E is the right answer for this. Thank you.